In brief, I wanted them to have access to the opportunities I discovered much later. Stream into College program is a comprehensive summer program offered by AUB in collaboration with Set Out and Amaluna. It provides the students with academic, professional, and social resources. Academically, students will have access to research workshops and SAT preparatory classes and practice exams offered by Set Out. Professionally, students will have access to AUB research labs. They get immersed in a research project through a 3-week hands-on research experience, and they have the opportunity to participate in the final conference. They will also be offered soft skills and career guidance workshops. AUB is home to top-notch research laboratories and STEM pioneers, which makes it a great place to get a hands-on research experience. Moreover, AUB possesses one of the most beautiful campuses in the region and a very vibrant student life. The students usually describe their experience with Stream into College as eye-opening, empowering, and memorable. They often leave with a clearer idea of what their college journey is going to look like in terms of major choice, university life, as well as career prospects. Stream into College program is a jump start to college life and a great way to fill your children's summers with meaningful experiences. Looking forward to welcome your children at AUB campus.